Let's prepare a vermiwash. First of all, we'll look into what is vermiwash. Actually, it is a liquid extract produced from vermicompost in a medium where earthworms are richly populated. It comprises a massive decomposer bacteria count, mucus, vitamins, different bioavailable minerals, hormones, enzymes, and different antimicrobial peptides, and lot more. Now let's look into what are the materials needed to prepare this vermiwash. First we need indigenous earthworms around 150 to 200. Then we need a barrel with a tap at the base, so the capacity should be around 200 to 250 liters. Then we need broken bricks and pebbles and stones. After that we need coarse sand and loamy soil. Then we need straw or hay, and finally we need fresh cow dung. Now these are the composition of vermiwash and its benefits. This is a sketch diagram of the apparatus that we need to prepare a vermiwash. Now let's move to the procedure. First of all, we need to add a layer of broken bricks at the bottom of the barrel we take. We have to add ample amount of broken bricks as shown in the video. The main reason for adding these broken bricks are to facilitate the drainage. Then we have to add a layer of pebbles over the broken bricks layer. This will also support to facilitate the drainage system. After adding these ingredients, we have to level the mixture. So after leveling, this is how it looks like. Then we have to add a layer of coarse sand over the pebbles. After that, we have to add a layer of loamy soil over the coarse sand. Up to now, this is how it looks like. So above this barrel, we need to hang up a clay pot with a hole at the bottom, which would be used after 2 weeks to moisten this. But in this point, we have to add ample amount of water to moisten all the layers. After that, we can check whether the drainage is facilitated. For that, we stir a bit and check whether the water comes out from the tap. Then the next step is adding the earthworms. At this point, we have to add earthworms as a layer above the soil. After that, we have to add cow dung balls on the top of the earthworms. But here we are adding just as cow dung but not as balls. Then finally, we need to add a thin layer of paddy straw or hay to cover this up. Now the vermiwash apparatus is ready. So now within 2 weeks you can extract the vermiwash. So if you need to prepare this vermiwash continuously, you have to take out the mixture from the barrel and keep the earthworms aside and refill the fresh materials in the barrel according to the usual procedure. Then you have to add the same earthworms again. After preparation, this vermiwash can be applied as a foliar application. This has to be diluted 5 or 10 times before the application. For leafy vegetables, mix 1 liter of vermiwash with 7 liters of water and spray twice a week. And for pot crops, mix 1 liter of vermiwash with 4 liters of water and spray once a week. For food crops, mix 1 liter of vermiwash with 5 liters of water and spray once a week. And for small plants, mix 1 liter of vermiwash with 10 liters of water.